Oops, teka lang, huwag mo munang skip ang video na to dahil meron akong i-share sa iyo na napaka-importante na maaaring makakatulong sa iyo when it comes to network building. Kung ikaw naman ay hindi network builder, skip mo na lang ang video na to dahil hindi ka makaka-relate sa lahat ng sasabihin ko. But if you have this good learning attitude, get a pen and paper para ma-chat down mo lahat ng sasabihin ko dahil isang beses lang to dadaan sa FYP mo. And if you want to learn about this video, you can follow me and add this to your favorites, or kung hindi naman, pwede mo itong i-share sa lahat ng mga kakilala mo. Ready? Madalas ka bang nare-reject sa lahat ng mga kakilala mo o mga kaibigan mo or family mo sa tuwing meron kang i-share? Meron akong i-share sa iyo na 6 na strategy on how to handle rejection and network building. Handling rejections and network building can be challenging. So here's the 6 strategies that can help. Number 1, stay positive. Rejections are a normal part of the networking process. Don't take them personally and try to maintain a positive mindset. Remember that each rejection brings you closer to find you the right connections. Number 2, learn from rejections. Take the opportunity to reflect on way the rejection occurred. Was there a mismatch in expectations and interests? Use this feedback to improve your approach and refine your networking strategy. Number 3, seek feedback. If possible, ask feedback from the person and organization that rejected your request. This can provide valuable insights into what you can do differently in the future. Number 4, magpalakas ng loob. Rejections can be discouraging. Ang mahalaga, bumangon at magpatuloy sa pagiging network builder. Umattend ng mga networking events, sumali sa mga professional organizations, and leverage your online platform to expand your network to increase your chances finding the right opportunities. And number 6, follow up. Even if you receive rejections, it's still important to maintain a professional relationship. Send a positive follow-up message expressing your gratitude for their time and consideration. This can leave a positive impression and keep the door open for the future opportunities. Remember, building a network takes time and effort. Rejections are a natural part of the process. And with perseverance and positive mindset, you can overcome them and find success in networking. Oh, iba talaga ang may alam, kaya panatilihin ang good learning attitude.